Welcome home. We are here at 597 Fresno Avenue in Citrus Hills, which is part of Hernando, Florida on the Nature Coast. And this is a really fantastic property. I'm really excited to show you this one because it's very unique. It's got some extra features that I think you'll really enjoy, and they're going to add to the affordability of this home because there's a lot of energy efficiency upgrades, which we'll talk about as we walk through. So you've entered in and you see you are immediately able to look at the open floor plan with the living room and the dining room. You'll notice that there's a lot of beautiful lighting in the house. We've got the lit decorative shelving there across this whole side wall, and just a lot of nice light and natural light from windows, and I'll show you that as we walk through. But first I want to take you here to the left side of the home. We have a beautiful barn door, and this is a flex room. So this is a bonus area that could be used for many things. So it could just be an entertaining space, it could be a game room, plenty of room for a pool table, dartboard, a little bar setup, however you'd want to arrange this. But then also this could be an in-law suite. If you notice over here on the left, there is a side entrance. So when you walked in from the screened porch, that was the first door as you were walking up to the front door. So that's a separate entrance for this space. This space also connects directly to the garage, and I'll show you that while we're here. So this is the 2-car garage. It's got a special flooring laid here. Can serve very well for a workshop area, but it's a decent 2-car garage. So some of the things you'll notice, the water heater here is a extra large water heater. It is a solar powered water heater, so you're not having to pay for heating your water, and it's very efficient. It heats up the water very quickly. We do have sprinklers. You'll see the sprinkler control panel there. So that's going to operate all of your exterior watering. And then as we walk back into the bonus room, there's a door here, takes you to the outside, and then 2 French doors that go to a little patio area. Now, if you wanted to add a deck off of this space, this would make a really nice area to do maybe a grill setup or something along those lines, that if you're entertaining, you now have that set up for grilling food for your guests, things of that nature. This door to the left is going to lead us into the laundry room, but I'm not going to go through there yet. I'm going to take you into the main home first. The way that this house flows, I think, is very unique to many that you may have seen in the area or you may be seeing. And so I really like the special design of the flow of this house. This kitchen has a lot of cabinets, so a lot of storage space, a lot of workspace, and I like how it kind of separates the areas. So you've got the area here where you're engaging with your guests that are dining at the dining table. You've got workspace all across this countertop, and then you've got this separate cook area with your microwave, your fridge, your oven, and your pantry here as well. So it's just kind of elongated, and you have sort of separate spaces to work with, which I think is quite nice. Eat-in kitchen overlooking that beautiful pool out there. We'll get to that eventually. Also, this extra little buffet area, coffee area is what I envision there. So you've got those extra cabinets. That is not a fixture, but it is staying with the home. And then the cabinets above are built in. Now, as we go to the left, we find the guest end of the house. And here we have another little buffet and built-in cabinet setup. Again, this will stay with the house. So you've got that extension of storage and workspace from your kitchen on through to your guest area. So you'll notice here this first bedroom is being used as an office. Plenty of space for desk and other things if you've got hobbies. Also would work very well as a guest suite. The house was freshly painted just recently, so that's one of the updates. You've got the guest bathroom here that's nicely updated. A couple of skylights throughout, and those are providing really nice natural light. You almost don't need a light on in this bathroom with those skylights. The second guest bedroom, third bedroom in the house. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And as you look around the rooms, you'll see that the windows are double pane and they do tilt for functionality for cleaning. Linen closet here. New flooring in the house, a lot of updates that have been made to this home. And this is the primary suite. So lots of space. You can see we've got a lot of furniture and large pieces in here, and they fit very comfortably. Plenty of room to still move around in the bedroom. 2 closets, a walk-in on the left side and then a standard closet on the right. And then the ensuite bathroom with the jetted tub, brand new flooring here, a nice sized shower with 2 shower heads. That's a lot of fun. And then we have the vanity with 2 sinks. So you can see everything is really nicely put together. Another pocket door for the bathroom, so that's a really good space saver. We've got a French door behind these curtains that goes out to the screened-in porch, which we're going to walk into next. Actually, let me take you and just show you the laundry room first, just so you can see the flow of that. It's a really fun connection. The laundry room connects to the bonus room. So pretty basic here with the laundry tub and the 2 machines, and then you've got some extra cabinetry and shelving space, and then this door walks you back into that bonus room or in-law suite. So now we can go out back. So this property is on over an acre of land. Citrus Hills is a deed-restricted community in Hernando, Florida, and the properties are either half an acre or most of them are an acre of land like this one, and sometimes you get a little bit more. So this acre, the backyard, is all fenced in with that beautiful decorative vinyl fencing. This is a saltwater pool. You can see you've got the sun deck for sunbathing. There's a mount for your umbrella, so if you want to be protected from the sun, that's easy to do. And you've got the 2 waterfalls and 2 fountains on this pool. So really fantastic. And it's a big pool, as you can see. You've got lots of space. Now, as we walk back here, you're going to find we have a large shed and then a smaller shed, so lots of storage in the backyard. But I want to turn around and let you see all of the solar panels on the roof of the house. This house has total solar electricity, 100% powered by solar. And you heard earlier the water heater is solar as well. So very, very low energy cost for this home. These are owned panels, so ownership will transfer, and then the power company will credit you at the end of the year for producing some power. So there is also that added rebate that you get. You will have power bills still. There's a minimum amount that you have to pay the power company, but at the end of the year, if you've made some additional power production for them, they're going to give you some money back. So it's really great to have that control over your electricity and your energy costs. In addition to the sheds, we've got this covered area. So this works really well for a golf cart or any kind of tools, equipment, extra things that you might have that you just want to keep covered from the elements. Look at this beautiful yard. It's just gorgeous. And you're ready to go if you have pets. And you can really stay organized with your yard supplies and equipment in one shed, or storage of things that you don't get to very often, and then another shed for any other items that you may have. Lots of good space, of course, as sheds tend to be. It is pretty full, but you can see what a nice shed that is, and it's got power, so you'll have lights in there as well. Hopefully you noticed when you came in, there's a winding driveway, plenty of paved parking space, very quiet area, just a lovely place to live. HOA fees are very low, $170 a year, so you're not having to worry about extra expense there. And you have easy access in Hernando, Florida to a lot of things. There's some really great shopping that actually is just developing in this area. We have a lot of variety of the shops and things that you want. And then if you'll want more than what we have here. It's a quick hop to Hernando County, Spring Hill area, and also the other direction of Marion County. Both directions you've got an abundance of shops and restaurants and just some great things. But here on the Nature Coast, we've got some great seafood restaurants are some of my favorites, and mom and pop places that you can't get anywhere else. So really nice old Florida atmosphere here in this area, and I'd love to show you more of this property. I also want to mention from a location standpoint, we are about an hour away from the Tampa airport via the Suncoast Parkway, and then also easy access to get to Orlando for the attractions there, about an hour and a half to Orlando. So we're really centrally located for a lot of the things that you'd want to enjoy in Florida, and we are on the coast. So you have access to water activities and fishing and some of the best seafood, fresh seafood. So there you have it. This is a fantastic property. It is 2,000 square feet. You see all this great space you have to work with, 3 beds, 2 baths, 2-car garage, an acre of land, and this can all be yours. Just give us a call. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Our office number is 352-794-1426.